Beard season is upon us with No Shave November. What better way to start, maintain, or keep your beard game strong by developing good habits now during this month of awareness. This movement was sparked and created to raise awareness for prostate cancer. It's so important, especially in the African-American community, men of color. It takes a harsh toll on us. So we have to be proactive to talk about it. Fellas, we gotta check ourselves out. We have to go to the doctor regularly so that we can be screened. And it's just so important that we are always thinking about maintaining our health. Let's get into it. Real men get it done. All right, bruh. So I'm getting into it. I'm gonna talk a little bit about tools and everything, a little bit of everything just to get you right as we transition into No Shave November. Just giving you a little personal story. My grandfather had prostate cancer. So as a family, we had to kind of go and deal with that, just kind of supporting him, being there at the hospital. So, you know, it's just real. It's real, especially in the African-American community. I hate that sometimes as men, we aren't ones to want to go see the doctor and get checkups and all that stuff. But yeah, I got out that habit of not going to see a doctor probably, like, honestly, about 5 years ago. And it just was a place in my life where I was getting older, kids were getting older, and I was like, man, I want to be here for my kids. I want to be around for them. So even though I don't like going to the doctor, I have to invest in my health to make sure that I'm good. And a couple of years ago, my dad actually had cancer. So for me, I have to get screened as well through some blood tests and some other things just to make sure that I'm good. So I've been really valuing my health the past like 4 or 5 years. Again, the past couple of years, my dad had cancer, so that really had me be on my A game. Don't be afraid of it, fellas. Like, for real, the doctor and stuff, we want to detect these things soon so that we're good. So in terms of prostate cancer, you know, after the shower, checking yourself out, you know, checking your ball sack, making sure things are good, just being honest with that. You can also have the doctor check you out if you aren't comfortable with that. And they also can run different blood tests just to see if there's any issues there with cancer possibly developing. So man, just talk to your doctor. It's okay, bros. We got it. All right, next you want to make sure that, of course, you're investing in the right tools. So some people get really low tech with maybe just a little bit of they have beard shears, little tiny shears and combs that you could use. I definitely always recommend for your beard as you're starting off to get a wooden comb as it's starting to grow. It'll obviously start off stubbly in the beginning, but as it starts getting a little bit of length, to get a wooden comb and then upgrade to possibly a wooden pick. Wood helps distribute your products well in the beard, and wood is gentler than plastic or metal. So that's why when you see a lot of beard kits, they have like a small wooden comb. So invest in that. That's a good product to have. And you can go as low tech as the shears or upgrade to some clippers. These are my Andes Pro Liners. They're wireless. I love using this to shape up my beard. Even though it's No Shave November, you can still have some style to your beard. You just don't have to let it grow like a woolly mammoth. You can have some style, have it nice and trimmed up. If you don't think that you can do it, take yourself to a barber, let them get you right, and then during the month, you can maintain it. So those are some options of you picking up some good tools to make sure your beard looks nice during this time as well. All right, bros, stay tuned. We just have a couple more tips left. But if you're feeling this video thus far, if I'm dropping some gems that can definitely help you, please leave me a comment below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that good jazz. We want to keep making sure all the bros are just aware of how to keep themselves groomed and nice, and to just be prepped and ready to go as we enter into this awareness month of No Shave November. as you're developing your beard, it's important to make sure that you are cleaning your beard often. But be careful, as I said, we have products to not dry it out, but you still should be using those products in the morning and also in the evening. So for me, I go to the gym first thing in the morning. I do what I call a gentle rinse of my beard. So I use a little bit of the beard wash, a tiny beard wash, and just kind of coat the outside of it just to get it a little bit damp, get the sweat out, wipe it with a towel. But that deep clean that I did at the very beginning, that's only one time a week when I'm using the beard wash. I'm using the beard conditioner, letting it sit on my beard for 3 to 5 minutes and working and massaging it all in, then rinsing it out. So every day, I do a gentle wash usually in the morning coming from the gym, and then I usually take a shower at night. And so I will gently rinse it off again and then get my Beardcare products in there. But yeah, don't hesitate to clean your beard every day, morning and evening, for sure. Using a little bit of my beard conditioner spray. And the fifth and final thing would be just to, post your progress. Let other bros know what you're doing. If you have a Facebook, have an Instagram, encourage other bros to do it, because even if they don't start right at the very beginning, it's okay. The whole point of this month is spreading awareness. So again, prostate cancer is so important for us as men. We want to catch it early, catch it often by doing what we need to do. And I guess the last piece of thing is just have fun with it. You may only decide to keep this for a month, and you may enjoy it and just say, okay, after this month is over, I may get rid of it or I may keep it on. So these are just some tips and tricks for the bros to have so that you can keep the momentum going if you do decide to keep it, or if you're just using it for this month. But again, spread the awareness. No Shave November, prostate cancer. Hope these tips and tricks help you guys out. So I think that's all for now. Peace and blessings. Till next time, real men get it done. Have merch in the description as well. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Appreciate y'all so much for rocking with me. More vids to come on hair care, beard care, and also gonna start doing some more videos just based around family and fatherhood. So till next time, peace and blessings.